Did you find it?
Yeah, I found this above. There's something there, but I don't know where my bigger ball is.
I don't know where's the bigger bowl. We have to find Sisi. Okay, come on.
I'm gonna get my small ball.
Come on. Naka-ready na yung kanyang toast, guys. At kanyang eggs. So, tanggalin ko lang ito siya, ha?
Mom, the big one is over here. Look,
Oh, you found it.
I found two up there.
Okay. Come on now, sit down. Milk or water?
What?
Milk or water?
Water.
Okay. Come on. Where is your water bottle? Get it.
I don't know.
It's over there, oh.
The
Over there, your water bottle. Look.
yeah. It's so heavy. It's so heavy. So heavy, my bigger bar.
Okay. Okay, you want me to cut it or just leave it like that?
Boom, 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 boom.
Cut it or leave it like that?
Leave it like that.
Okay.
Honestly, if it bounce, the big one bounce.
Eat na
higher.
lagi.
I'm saying if the one bounce higher. Oh,
Okay.
I catch this.
Okay, eat na. Dali, eat na. Eat na.
Ma,
Just leave your bowl in here. In your side of your... Yeah. Okay. Boosing is eating. Say thank you, Lord, for the food.
thank you, Lord, for the food.
Okay. You want me to cut it? No.
Yes.
Yes? I will cut it. Huh?
I want to watch YouTube kids. YouTube kids is not blocked.
Okay. Okay. Here's your fork.
Look, Mom.
Okay.
I'm to watch.
Okay.
What's this? I can't hear. Oh, I turned it down.
Ang bread ko, guys, ay nagto-toast pa. Pareho kami ni Sawyer. Eggs with toast. Eat your eggs now. Uy. Eat now ba? Uy. Agoy, babe. You're not listening to mommy. Uy.
I wanna watch.
Watch and then eat. Right.
Watch this movie in a second.
Watch and eat.
It's so funny.
Eat now. Eat your...
Ah! Eat my food.
Akit ako, guys, kasi isusunod ko yung comforter kasi tapos na siguro yung bed sheets. Okay, tapos na. May tumatawag. Oh, nakalimutan ni Sam yung kanyang phone. Oh, nag-alarm siya. Nakalimutan niya yung phone niya. Ay, hala. Magulo yung kwarto ng dalaga ko, yung closet ng dalaga ko. Ayan. Magulo. Magulo yung kwarto ng dalaga ko. Mamaya, Thursday ay ang kanilang tawag dito. General cleaning ng kanilang kwarto. Yan. May mga damit pa doon sa kabila. Doon, hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo, guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Magulo. Magulong kanyang vanity. Yung kay Shelton naman, lalong-lalo na. Magulo din. Sa sobrang busy ko, nag-work. Hindi ko na nabibisita araw-araw. Once a week ka lang. Ngayon ay continue na naman tayo sa paglalaban ng ating comforter at saka bedsheets. Tapos na. Isusunod ko guys yung comforter ni Shelton at ang kanyang bedsheets. Lalabhan ko siya. Disaster yung kanyang room. Naku talaga. Hindi ko talaga maasahan tong lalaki ko pagdating sa paglalaban ng comforter. Minsan, sinasabihan ko siya na malabhan yung comforter niya. Sinasabihan lang ako na yes, mommy. Tapos ang ending, nakakalimutan niya. Kaya, ako na lang gagawa. Balik na. Lagay mo natin to sa sa carpet yan. Kasi yan yung isusunod ko guys sa aking lalaba. Bakit anito yung toilet tissue? Nung nag-grocery kami kay sa Costco, nilagay nila dito yung toilet tissue. Dapat sa laundry room to. Kuha tayo ng isang 6 na rolyo para sa baba. Ang hirap ito tanggalin. Yan, 6 na rolyo yan. Dalhin natin sa baba. Kasi mamaya na ako maglinis dito at magtupi. Kasi nga, mayroon pa akong gawain sa baba. Andun si Bossing Sawyer, so maghahanap yun sa akin. Bakit ako matagal dito sa taas? So sa baba muna tayo start maglinis. habang nanonood pa si Sawyer guys ng SpongeBob, ako naman ay maglilinis muna dito at magluluto ako ng ng dinner. Ano lang tawag ito, yung ground beef. Ground beef na giniling ang aking gagawin. So ito yung mga gagawin ko. Ayan. Yan. So start na tayo guys. Oil.
What are you doing?
Cooking.
Why are you going to I said, why are you going to the TV?
Because the sound is so very loud. So mommy needs to cook. So that's why I need to turn off turn it down yeah. Can we do it later? Because mommy's still cooking. Turn it on. Turn it on. Okay. Okay. Hold on, wait. Is this YouTube Kids? Is this YouTube Kids? No, it's not YouTube Kids. Huh. You tricked me, boy. You tricked me. That's YouTube. Adult, not kids. Nakalimutan ko guys, lagyan ng
I thought YouTube kids for 1 minute.
ng tawag dito, kamatis ba?
I don't know what I thought YouTube
So,
kids for
meron akong
1
kamatis
minute.
na can. So, kamatis na lang na can ang lagay ko yung ito.
Ma,
Pwede na to.
Ma,
Mmm.
I know what I thought YouTube kids for 1 minute, like 1 minute. Please, Mom. Please. Mom,
What?
answer me.
YouTube Kids only, not YouTube Adult. Understand?
No, for like 1 minute.
No 1 minute. No YouTube Adult. Sa mga kaon. Di ka kasabot dong. You're not... Oh, he's... Sige. Wala, sige. Nag-wild na siya. Nag-wild na si Dudong. Si Bossing Sawyer.
Kids.
Okay, give me the YouTube Kids. Here's the YouTube Kids.
I watch. Mom.
Ako pa yung anong mo.
Mom.
Ako pa yung... Lagyan natin ng soy sauce. Pangta. Tapos lagyan ko ng... Uy! Ubus na pala to. More. Lahatin na natin to guys kasi wala na. At ito itatapon. pork. So on the way na ako guys mag work. Nakaluto na ako, nakapaglaban na ako, nakapagpatupi na ako. Yun nga yung niluto ko, yung pork with beef giniling. Ayun na, ang luto na rin yung rice kung gusto nila ng rice. At may snacks na rin sila sa bahay, kompleto na lahat. Bago ako umalis guys, malinis na ang bahay, nakapaglaban na, okay na. So si Sam at saka si Shelton ang magbantay. Ngayon is 4 o'clock, pauwi na si asawa, 4:30, yan, andun na siya sa bahay pag 4:30. So saglit lang sila nagbantay kay Sawyer guys. Hanggang ano lang ako, 4 hanggang 8 or 8:30 kasi ayaw kong magpagabi kasi nga mahirap kasi hanapin yung mga address nila. Although mayroong navigation pero hindi ko manap-hanap yung number ng bahay. I'll make sure na correct yung address ko kasi nga ayaw kong ma-deactivate yung account ko dahil lang sa wrong ako ng pag-deliver ng mga groceries nila. Kasi dito guys, uso yung complaint. Ayaw kong ma-deactivate yung aking account. So yun guys, ngayon ay on the way to work dahil wala pang order guys. So see you later.